Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop sharing a Google Drive file using your Windows PC. First, open drive.google.com in your browser and sign into your Google account. Next, find the file you want to stop sharing and right-click it, then choose Share. To remove specific people, click the drop-down next to the person's name and select Remove, then click Save or Done. To disable the link sharing, click Change to Restricted, so only people explicitly added can open the file. If you need to stop editors from changing permissions or prevent viewers from downloading, click the settings gear icon and toggle off those options. Finally, if you previously made someone the owner and need full control back, ask them to transfer ownership to you. Ownership changes can only be done by the current owner. And that's it guys. Your file is no longer shared publicly or with unwanted collaborators. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.